Hey there, DIY coders. So I wanted to show you something that I made. Uh, and so what you see here, I have my YouTube channel right here. I have my thing that I made, which I'll introduce to you in a little bit. There, and here's the code for it. And there's some more code, more code of it right here. And yeah, so what we have here is something that helps me generate YouTube descriptions. Now, it's not like fully automatic where it just makes a description for me just by clicking. No, not quite. It just saves me time, like editing the description, like trying to copy and paste and then change the contents according to the video. Yeah, so it saves me that time. And basically, a lot of these descriptions, they need to be changed as I add content, because I want to be able to link the appropriate, relevant learning content together. So it will change over time on that regard. So this would definitely help a bunch, and I would say this could help people who are taking on my learning videos. It would help them as well, hopefully. If not, you guys can let me know if this is helpful at all. Yeah, I took about it was definitely less than a day's time of work just to code this up, and it's a little bit longer than I hoped, but I got it done, and it's useful. It's not completely done, maybe. I might need to add a little bit more, but it's usable at the moment. So yeah, yeah. Let's introduce to you guys how I make say if I make a video, I would have to sort of add a file. So what we have here is a file for every for every radio button we have here. And so if I wanted to add another, say, radio button that would pop up a description for me, I would have to do a few things. So that's why I made these set of instructions. It's not too much of a hassle. So I would have to make a new. I would have to connect the JavaScript file that I will make onto the HTML file. I will have to make the JavaScript file, and I would have to, in the case that there's a sort of a new category of learning material, let's put it like that. Then I would have to add another array. So that would be like right here, initial data. Oh, let's drag and drop. Yeah, and so just recently I made this new category. So yeah, and this is how I go about adding the content of the description, the more manual content, and not so much the automated content. The automated content here is all here. And this is all automated, so it will have some things that can be done automatically, and here would be everything that needs to be done manually. So it definitely helps me, saves time. Again, this is not to like help me save time on making new descriptions. It's more so updating descriptions. I think it can save me time for making new descriptions, but I'm not sure. It's a little more shaky. But in terms of updating the descriptions, it'll help me save time for sure. There's like so much like figuring out like, okay, if I make a new video here, then all this learning material should connect to this video and then back, and it's like it's a mess. It's a mess. So yeah. That's something I made. It's pretty helpful. You can imagine like being able to code stuff up yourself and be able to automate things. It's great. Yeah. But anyways, that's it. So if you enjoyed this video, found this video helpful at all or anything like that, give me a like. And if you dislike this sort of content, I mean, I'd like the feedback. Give me a dislike; it'd be a big help. And if you have anything to say, there's a comment down below. I'd love to hear what you say, to be honest. And yeah, don't forget to subscribe. It'd be cool if you subscribed. Other than that, thanks for watching, guys. See you later.